Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute WhatsApp chats. If you want to stop notifications from a specific conversation without blocking or deleting the chat, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. Now find the conversation that you want to mute. Next, press and hold the chat until it becomes selected. Once the chat is selected, look at the options at the top of the screen and tap the Mute Notifications icon. A pop-up window will appear with different mute durations, such as 8 hours, 1 week, and always. Choose the option that works best for you. If you don't want to receive notifications from this chat for a long time, select Always, then tap OK or Confirm. That's it. The chat has now been muted successfully. You'll notice a small mute icon next to the conversation, indicating that notifications for this chat are turned off. Muting a chat does not block the person, delete the conversation, or remove any messages. You'll still receive new messages, but your phone won't notify you according to the mute duration you've selected. If you ever want to receive notifications again, simply press and hold the muted chat, tap the unmute icon at the top of the screen, and the chat will return to normal. And that's all. You've successfully learned how to mute and unmute WhatsApp chats in 2026. It's a simple feature that helps you reduce distractions while keeping all your conversations available whenever you need them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future WhatsApp tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.